Yeah, I got big racks. I got big straps. Walking with a big bag. That's a bitch trap. Run it back, bitch. Flexi plane.
Hey y'all, what the fluff is good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday. I hope all is well with everybody. If you're new, you're digging the vibes on this specific video or any video on my channel, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, all that good stuff. It's one of them nights again. It's one of them nights. This time it's a little bit earlier. It is 12:21. I was on Pinterest and I saw this drawing that this girl had did, and I wanted to recreate it. I don't know if I want to use the same colors. I think I want to do like, I don't know. I don't know what color.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were good, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, it could be honest. Closer to me, oh, give me these flowers. Promise that you won't let me fall. That I can have this moment for life. You could do it. You could do it.
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment I put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we linked up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of.
Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah, cause with people you could do damage. You could do damage.
Bow, bow, bow to me, drop down to your knees. Young money, the mafia, that's where the love sees. I'm in the Dominican, Big Papi Ortiz, doing target practice, all these songs, just aiming to please. Shout out to the CEO, 500 degrees. Shout out to the OVO, Red Wings and Fatigues. Wanna be friends, how coincidental? This supposed to be our year, we ain't get the memo. A young king, pay me a gold. 40 got a bunch of he ain't even. These be dropping songs, they ain't even cold. Weezy on top of that, ain't even home yet. Yeah, be very afraid. These other rappers getting bodied and carried away. Get me and Nicki getting married today. And now you that be hating, you catch a bouquet. Ooh, yeah, you a star in my eyes. You and all them white girls, party of five. Are we drinking a little more? I can hardly decide. I can't believe we really made it, I'm probably surprised, I swear.
Oh baby, I'm coming. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call me. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah, cause with people you could do damage. You could do damage.
That I can have this moment for life.
You could do damage. No, you
made a mess, you fight by the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. My money stretch from south to the west. Lawyers the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Came me knocked down, left the nut on the lid. Run this catch up like a motherfucking tread. Yeah, nigga fucked up tryna hide it. Drum on the stick on the side of switch. Call up a little pretty vibe, pull up and let her massage the dick. Oh, that's your new ride, we whippin' and swerving all kind of shit. Whippin' and running, my little niggas pulling up gun and they hit when they trying to. I started running, we shootin' rats right in their stomachs and leave them inside. Ain't nothing funny when you got a bread on the onion, don't look like you frying the bread. Hit her on Sunday, she still wanna ask me for money, she gon' end up dying. Got me some hundreds and say gotta keep it 100 cause these niggas counterfeit. We had a long sex, good pussy bitch off a bowl of cracks. It's off the road, just like a real nigga bouncing it back. Make sure your nose ain't wet. He fell a bit, them addicted to crack. Come on my bitch, bitch, check out my neck. All of my business, little bitches relax. She done got way too attached. Notice they might cause they waist is a snack. Heard your little homie got wet. We take a life, you ain't taking one back. You going under attack. Let the whole world know the babies is back. Get your ass hit in the dash. Crib in the back, got 100 your dash. Inside me the mess, you pop of the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. I'm in the stretch, from south to the west. Lawyers the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Came me knocked down, left the nut on the leg. Run this catch up like a motherfucking tread. Yeah.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night, ayy. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, yeah. Pay the price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, yeah. Vegas in my ice, Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes, yeah. That's what I like, yeah. That's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like on Book, wet like on Lizzie. I be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm busy. Like where is he? No one seen him. Tryna clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, 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 like a light.
Yeah, Pastor Dawson Sally sending texts, ain't sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. It's La Ferrari to jump with juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, shorty in the back, she say she working on the glutes. Yeah, and by the book. Yeah, it's how it look. Yeah, about to check. Yeah, just check the foots. Yeah, pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama, couple fours, got these other bitches shook. Yeah.
But these bitches in my business call me ultra choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. In honesty, I'm always feeling always. Baby, you can keep it, nobody knows shit. I need you to get the fuck on my space. The basement's on the way, please don't play. Pussy's fit like a brand new skate. I need no drink, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking out and looking up. Calling on my face, yeah, I know how to reach me every time that it plays me right. Rise up at night, we committed
it. Yeah, my bad. Knowing me, I be too violent. It was cool, yeah, we was vibing. Gotta put my phone on silent, so my bad. Knowing me, I be too violent. It was cool, yeah, we was vibing. Gotta put my phone on silent, so my bad. We both care about it. Arguing on me just isn't worth. No, you shouldn't go back, you're bad. I didn't text you back 'cause I was working. Following the signs, but you're following the wrong signs, my love. Give you all the time, give you all of my time, my love. All my time, following the signs, but you're following the wrong signs, my love. Say, my bad. Tell me I'll be honest, my bad.
Work side on me, I like to get it poppin'. But these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacement's on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving suckers calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Rise up the night, we committed a crime. Way over long, there's no sacred spot. We can't be outside cause the baggage to cry. Got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get bored. Yeah, we fucking, we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but he don't match up with. So strong with every whatever you need. Don't call me. But these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the